This system ends writer's block for creators over 50. If you're over 50 and trying to build a YouTube channel, you've probably been told the same thing over and over. Just stay consistent, keep posting, and eventually it will work. But here's the reality. You've been doing that and your channel still isn't growing. It's not because you lack ideas. It's not because you lack experience. It's because YouTube doesn't reward effort anymore. It rewards structure. And if you don't have a repeatable system, every video feels like starting from zero, and that's exactly what leads to writer's block. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple system that eliminates that friction, gives you a clear starting point every time, and turns your experience into content that actually grows a channel. Hi there, my name is Bob, and our channel at Money Game AI exists to help YouTube entrepreneurs 50+ to learn how to master AI automation using proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. We help to make it easy for you to implement. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to eliminate the blank page forever. Not to replace your voice, not to write for you, but to give your experience a framework. Because being over 50 is not your weakness, it's your edge. And once you learn how to structure that edge properly, everything changes. Let's get into it. Let's slow this down and examine the real obstacle. Because it isn't technology, it isn't intelligence, and it certainly isn't age. It's friction. Friction is subtle. It doesn't shout, it whispers. It's the hesitation before you open the laptop, the extra coffee before you begin, the quiet thought that says, maybe tomorrow. Every creator faces it, but for those of us over 50, friction feels heavier, because we didn't grow up inside this system. We built careers and environments where expertise spoke for itself. On YouTube, structure speaks first, and without structure, expertise gets lost. That's the part nobody explains. You can know more than 90% of creators in your niche and still struggle, because you're trying to translate decades of experience into a format designed for clarity, speed, and retention. That translation gap is friction. Now here's where AI becomes powerful. Not as a writer, not as a shortcut, but as a translator. You bring wisdom. AI helps you compress it. Think about how you naturally speak. You circle ideas. You tell stories. You explore context. That's depth. But YouTube rewards direction. AI helps you take a 10-minute ramble and identify. Here's the hook. Here's the main problem. Here's the promise. Here's the step-by-step logic. Here's the takeaway. It doesn't remove your voice. It sharpens it. And sharpening matters, because clarity builds trust, and trust builds retention. Now let's address something important. Many people over 50 worry that using AI somehow cheapens their content. It doesn't. Using a calculator doesn't make you bad at math. Using GPS doesn't mean you can't drive. Using AI simply means you're choosing leverage over friction, and leverage compounds. Here's a practical example. Let's say you want to talk about lessons learned from 30 years in business. Without structure, that becomes a broad, wandering conversation. With AI, you can prompt, help me turn 30 years of business lessons into 5 clear frameworks that apply to new entrepreneurs. Now instead of rambling, you have Framework 1, Framework 2, Framework 3, Framework 4, Framework 5. You still provide the insight. AI simply organizes it into digestible form. That's the shift. And once you experience that shift, something powerful happens. Momentum replaces hesitation. Because the blank page, the thing that stops most creators, disappears. You're no longer starting from zero. You're starting from structure. Now let's go one level deeper. The real advantage of being over 50 isn't just experience. It's pattern recognition. You've seen business cycles. You've watched industries rise and collapse. You've seen hype and reality collide. You understand cause and effect in a way younger creators simply haven't lived long enough to internalize. AI cannot generate lived experience, but it can help you extract it efficiently. That's a crucial distinction. When you combine experience plus structure plus consistency, you create authority. And authority attracts a different kind of audience, not trend chasers, builders, people who value substance. Now let's talk about consistency, because this is where most channels stall. Consistency doesn't fail because of laziness. It fails because of decision fatigue. Every video requires topic selection, angle selection, hook creation, outline structure, title framing, thumbnail thinking. That's exhausting without a system.
If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell.
AI reduces decision fatigue by narrowing options. Instead of infinite possibilities, you get refined direction. Instead of, what should I talk about this week? You ask, based on my niche, what are 10 structured content angles my audience struggles with? Now you're not guessing, you're iterating. And iteration builds confidence. The more you produce, the clearer your voice becomes. The clearer your voice becomes, the less AI you need. Eventually, it becomes a refinement tool rather than a starting tool. That's growth. Now let's address another silent fear. What if I sound robotic? You won't, if you use AI correctly. If you copy and paste without thought, yes, you'll sound generic. But if you use AI as a collaborator, asking it to refine your ideas rather than replace them, your personality stays intact. In fact, it becomes clearer, because rambling decreases, and clarity increases memorability. Think of AI as scaffolding around a building. The scaffolding isn't the structure. It allows the structure to be built safely and efficiently. Once the building stands strong, the scaffolding becomes secondary. That's how AI should function in your workflow. Temporary support, permanent impact. And here's the bigger picture. YouTube today rewards clarity, retention, consistency, positioning. None of those require youth. They require systems, and systems can be learned. When you remove friction, you remove excuses. When you remove excuses, you build momentum. When you build momentum, the algorithm starts to see patterns, and YouTube is a pattern detection machine. Your job is not to go viral. Your job is to become predictable in value. AI helps you deliver predictable value, and predictable value builds trust. Let me put it plainly. Your age is not the obstacle. Your lack of structural leverage is. Fix the structure, and your experience becomes an advantage instead of a burden. Because here's the truth. You don't need to compete with 25-year-olds dancing on trends. You need to serve people who want depth. And depth, structured properly, is powerful. When friction disappears, you show up more often, you refine faster, you think clearer, you build smarter. That's not hype, that's mechanics. And once you understand the mechanics, YouTube stops feeling chaotic. It starts feeling strategic, which is exactly where you have the advantage.
If this message inspired you, please like and subscribe, and let's keep showing up together.
So here's the real opportunity. If AI can remove the blank page, what else can it streamline? Research, outlines, title variations, hook testing, audience positioning. In the next video, we're going deeper into ChatGPT itself. Not from a hype perspective, not from a press one button and get rich fantasy, but from a practical, step-by-step understanding of how to use it as a thinking partner, a structural assistant, a clarity tool, a refinement engine. Because this channel isn't about chasing virality, it's about building intelligently. If you're over 50, your goal isn't to go viral for a week. It's to build something sustainable, something intentional, something that compounds. And when you combine experience with structure, you create leverage. So if that sounds like the direction you want to go, make sure you're subscribed, because your edge isn't gone. It's just waiting to be organized. And once it's organized, it becomes powerful.